I've just had a very good, solid point put to me here. An absolutely awesome point. Now, I'm in two minds whether to talk about this or not. Because the other day, me and Danny Christie got on the phone to one another. Yeah? We was talking about having a do with one another, yeah? And then things got sorted out. He deleted all his videos on me. I deleted all mine on him. Yeah? That's that. Yeah? We had a mutual agreement type of thing, to be fair with you. So I can't really knock him, because it is the truth. Right. Now, a long story short, I'm seeing Paul saying, well, forget Paul's name anyway out of it at a minute, yeah? The fact is, he has put it out there that the BKFC won't take me back on now because of my behaviour. That's the excuse now, yeah? That don't make sense. I know at least 3 or 4 fighters who's done a lot more worse things than I have on the BKFC. I'm sure you guys can get in the comments and mention what is actual known facts, what they've done on the BKFC. So, unless they apologise and then they're forgiving and making it right, I don't know. Is that what it's going to have to take? Does Brett May have to apologise for his actions for standing up for himself to local boys? Do I have to apologise for my actions for the BKFC? Do I? I'm not that guy, mate. The wolf don't play in no circus. Yep. Crazy world, eh? Crazy world, kid. Can't write it, can you? I don't know. We had some good food at Gaucho's. Just chilling. Kicking back. Same old, same old. Beautiful anyway. Guys, it's been a lovely weekend. Another lovely Saturday. Stay blessed. Much love ya. Take it easy. Good night. God bless.